lines. Nothing but it. Nothing but straight lines. You buy El Paso? No, about 4 hours away. This is a John Deere 8295R. Beast. Yes, the vines have to dry out before the combine can get them, so they separate easier. So we'll wait about, if you want paper drying, you can get in here 3 to 4 days, but peanuts are still wet, so we'll wait about 5 to 6 days maybe, so we don't have to pay for so much drying. You got an 8-row digger you built yourself. Okay, cool. Yeah, this one's from KMC, factory 8-row. Super nice. Love it. We call peanut combines thrashers. Yeah, so do we sometimes. A lot of people around here use 6 rows as well. Yeah, 6 and 8 rows. More and more guys are getting 8 rows because it just makes sense too, but I still have a 6-row KMC for backup standing at my shop over there. Man, I've gotten 16,000 likes. This is the longest I've been live, and the most people I've ever had in my life. So that's awesome. Thanks, guys. Pretty cool. I don't go live very often. It's a lot to keep up with, but this has been fun. Where are you? West Texas, and I'm digging peanuts. Are you supervisor or owner? A little bit of both. I have a self-propelled 9960 model peanut combine. It's a 2010 model. Go live more. Cool content. Hey, I appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around. The cool part about going live is it brings in a whole new audience that never seen peanuts before. But if any of y'all have not seen peanuts before, go check out all my drone videos of the whole year. I film everything with the drone, every step we do. If you keep scrolling back, you'll go back to last year's harvest, and then harvest that, and then harvest before that, and been on here for a while. Got some weed zapper videos. That one did good. The one I did at night did really good. That was fun. You know, I've been wanting to find a way to hit a million followers on TikTok faster. Maybe it'll have to be through lives. Where do you work? On the field in Texas. How's the tariff on peanuts? Right now it's still the same. We'll see what it is next year. How many acres is that field? This field's 120 acres. It's a circle. Way over there is a pivot. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Yeah, there's a pivot. This is pivot irrigated peanuts. 120 acre circle, and it goes around and around. So these rows keep getting shorter and shorter. I'm getting closer to the end. Right over there is the end of it. Yes, these are peanuts. How many fields do you have to harvest this year? A few circles. I love John Deere tractors. Hey, me too. Definitely a big Deere fan. the Philippines. How's it going, man? Literally working for peanuts. Yeah, that's my life. Show the storage. What you talking about, storage? This thing's just flipping them so they can drive for the combine to get them. Or are you in the Panhandle? A little south of the Panhandle. Any rattlesnakes? There's a bunch of rattlesnakes around us. I haven't seen one in a while, but they're around. These are Virginia Emery peanuts. Big old nuts. The rest of mine are Spanish and runners. I'm eating some peanuts right now. Hey, I'm jealous. I ran out of snacks. I guess I could go eat some raw ones, but they're not as good, but if you want to, you can eat them. Do tractors have to have DPF system like diesel trucks do? Yes, they do. Yes, they have. This tractor came with the DPF system, and guess what? Not anymore. It used to have issues with DEF, not anymore. You know what I mean? I delete everything I have. Every pickup, every tractor. Delete, delete, delete. Are there job opportunities? Maybe some, but I am not hiring. No job opportunities, no. What are you doing? We're digging peanuts to flip them upside down so they can dry for a few days so the combine can come separate the peanuts from the vines. Look at that, we're pumping oil, boys. I wish that was mine. I wish that was mine instead of this. Or I wish both was mine, yeah. What's the temperature there? What is it, like 88 degrees today? Why what? What are you asking why about? What time is it? It is 5:54 p.m. How many people run the farm?